Welcome back to another video. So here I have a question that says, calculate the magnitude of the electric field intensity in vacuum. Should be in a vacuum at a distance of 25 centimeter from a charge of 5 times 10 to the power minus 3 coulombs. So here we have a magnitude of electric field intensity in a vacuum at a distance of, so solution, writing out our parameters, we have the distance r to be 25 centimeter. Converting this to meter would be dividing 25 by 100. That would give 0.25 meter. From a charge of, so the charge Q is equal to 5 times 10 to the power minus 3 coulomb. From the previous video, I said that F is equal to QE, where E represents the electric field intensity. If I make E the subject of formula, I can say F over Q. From Coulomb's law, F itself is actually KQ1 Q over R squared, and we are dividing by another Q, so times 1 over Q. So that would mean Q would cancel out Q and would have the formula KQ1 over R squared. So this is the formula to use in this case. So E would then be K. Recall that K is a constant, 9 times 10 to the power 9, multiplied by the charge. The charge is 5 times 10 to the power minus 3 over the distance separating them, which is 0.25. So E is equal to, punching that in my calculator, sorry, I didn't put my square. Divided by 0.25 squared. That gives me 7.2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 10 to the power 8. The unit of electric field intensity is actually Newton per coulomb. So this is how you solve a question like this. Moving on to the next question, it says, calculate the electric potential at a distance of this from a point charge of this coulomb placed in air. So the solution to this problem is, if you can recall, work done is equal to force times displacement in mechanics, but work done in electricity is equal to what? Quantity of charge times potential difference. And in this question, we are asked to find the electric potential. So how can we relate these two concepts? I can say, fine, let me equate the two formulas. So F, instead of D, let me write R to remain uniform. So F times R is equal to quantity of charge Q, let me call it Q, times small letter q, times the potential difference, V. Recall that F is actually KQ1, Q2, or let's just say KQ1 and Q over R squared times R is equal to Q times V. So here we have KQ1, Q. So this R cancels out one of that R. We have only one R left, is equal to Q times V. So we have two Q's in common. So the two Q can cancel out. So V becomes KQ1 over R. So this is the formula to use. So V is equal to, you remember that K is a constant. So K is 9 times 10 to the power 9 multiplied by Q. Q is 0.015 divided by the distance separating them is 20. So we are dividing 20 by 100 to convert it to meters. So that will give us 0.2 meter. So dividing by 0.2. So punching that in my calculator, I would get 9 times 10 to the power 9 times 0.015 over 0.2. That gives me a potential difference of 6.75, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 10 to the power 8 volts. So that is how you solve a question like that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next video. Thank you.